Today's date is 14th of September and the year is 2020 and today's day is Monday. So in our literacy class today we are going to learn a new sound. So which sound are we going to learn today? Can you look at the picture, the first picture, and can you guess the sound? The first picture is of a horse. So what's the beginning sound in the word horse? Yes, you guessed it right. The initial sound in the word horse is h, horse. So today we are going to learn the sound h. Okay, so this is the uppercase sound h and this is the lowercase sound h. Okay, but this is the print format, so we are going to learn this lowercase sound h, how to write it separately. Okay, so first let us look at a few pictures here, yes, that begin with the sound h. Okay, so I have h, horse. This is hat. So what's the sound again? The initial sound h, at, hat. Now this is the girl's head. Yes, and she also has hairs. So this is her hair and on her head. And here I have, which shape is this? Yes, this is a heart. H, heart. This is a h, hen. Yes, I am waiting for you also to say the name of the animal when you look at a picture, because I know you know these names. So this is hen. H, e, n, hen. Now all of you know this. What is this? Yes, this is a helicopter. H, helicopter. H, e, l, e, co, op, t, r. Okay, if you segment it, that's the way we segment it. So the word is helicopter. And this is a very interesting animal. The name of this animal is a new word for you. It's a hedgehog. What's the word? Hedgehog. The sound, initial sound is h. And this is a house. H, house, house. Okay. So here I had pictures of few objects that began with the sound h. Then you have many more. You can think of so many more. Yeah, you have h, hands, h, hammer. Yes, h, hamburger. Yeah, and I want you to search for a few more objects that begin with the sound h. Okay, children, so these were few objects that began with the sound h. So let us revise quickly. It's horse, hat, head, heart, hen, helicopter, hedgehog, house. Okay, children, so these were the objects that began with the sound h. And in the next video we will learn how to write the sound h, lowercase sound